The REDDIE project is really important to help us use real-world data for regulatory and decision-making processes. One of the first steps in that is trying to quality assure what real-world data is being used. So what we want to do is create a framework by which you can work out what data is contained in different databases. We've searched all the available literature to find out all the databases that contain data about diabetes and outcomes, and then try and create a framework that allows you to quality assure, to work out whether the quality of the data within those databases, so that when it comes to researchers like me or decision makers, when we're looking at data, we can work out what are we making the decisions based on the right data? Have we selected the best database to answer the questions that we want to? So hopefully that's a really valuable outcome from the REDDIE project. When we set out to look at the databases that are available in the literature today, there are so many. And the way data comes into those databases is so varied, and the quality of how the outcomes, maybe that's CGM outcomes, whether that's mortality or morbidity. And so the main challenge was to work out that system by which we were able to quality assure what happened. And it's just a volume of databases out there, and working out which ones are continuous, which ones are finished, which ones are moving on. So when we searched them, we found thousands of databases, and actually quality assuring them down to work out which are the best ones. And that's really valuable because database owners, it's important for they work out how they can optimize their databases to add value. And for the researchers and for the decision makers, I think from all three perspectives, trying to work out which are the best databases, helping those be used more effectively, I think that's the real challenge. I think real-world evidence is such a dynamic and evolving space. I think the quality of databases that we're seeing is improving year on year, but harmonizing them, adjusting them across different databases, how variables are collected, I think there's a huge amount of work to be done in that field. And if anyone's interested in this field, the key thing is connect with other people doing this work, working together. We're not competing with each other, we want to work together, combine databases. Data is power, data is money, data is knowledge. So I think it's a really exciting space, and connect with people who are working here.